All right, Leon, I'm up. What do you mean, hold on? Are we good?
The number you have dialed is not available at present. Please leave your message after the beep.
Yeah, trendsetter, whoa, league of my own, it don't get better. No, read what I wrote, I'm a bestseller. Yeah, reach for my goals, hit it dead center, hit it dead center. Bullseye, hit it the most, is no misses. Something like fish in a barrel, it's no different. Blindfold on me, I still got the most vision. Trendsetter told them before, but they don't listen. Better, bring a better bad because I'm bigger, better. Solo, single, selling several shows at every single second. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Kinda came and crushed the competition, hope they get the message. Look, living it fast, spinning my M in the bag. I never go slow, thinking I'll crash. End up a thing in the past, they know I won't though. Big fish catching me, they gon' need a bigger boat. Ironic how the world stops when I spin a globe. Always showing up. Last year's song still holding up. See the name now and they know what's up. Price hit the top and it's going up. I'm a trendsetter. Whoa, league of my own, it don't get better. No, read what I wrote, I'm a bestseller. Yeah, reach for my goals, hit it dead center. Hit it dead center. Yeah, trendsetter. Whoa, league of my own, it don't get better. No, read what I wrote, I'm a bestseller. Yeah, reach for my goals, hit it dead center. Hit it dead center.
B.O.D. Get the spell check, a fact check, and prevent errors going up. See the bent lever, jalapeno hot, y'all just red peppers. All y'all copping copies, but I'm left center. And your shorty glitching on me like a text center. Hit her with a French tenor. Crazy, wait until I do the next record. I leave head severed, I don't need to hit the bench ever. But if I do, I'm PRing to the next level. Condo flights to Lufthansa. Already know who you people fans of. Call me Big Daddy in a big body Wrangler. Call me Big Daddy Adam Sandler. Bullseye, aiming for a cottage with a poolside, full size.
Always showing up. Last year's song still holding up. See the name now and they know what's up. Price hit the top and it's going up. I'm a trendsetter. Whoa, league of my own, it don't get better. No, read what I wrote, I'm a bestseller. Yeah, reach for my goals, hit it dead center. Hit it dead center.
Sometimes, you know, you just gotta
Off the mollies, yeah, now I'm lost in France. In a Pontiac, had to dodge a van. Forgot my map, had to stop a man. Excuse me, sir, what's the quickest route to Boston, Mass? He was speaking French, started talking fast. I started bleeding red from my nostril glands. I can't keep depending on the Zans, but I can't sleep without a mom and dad. Every day a different toxic plant. Bought a bag of pills to toss them back. Every May these ladies wanna dance. If you wanna touch my dick, go wash your hands. I'm organic, you're like processed ham. I give orgasms to different bitches, you like calling Brad. Cross-examine all the pots and pans in the kitchen. Easy Mac keeps on whipping lots of crack.
Don't do drugs, why not? Cause they too much fun and you'll just want more when they done. Don't do drugs, cause they're the best thing ever and it's so fun getting fucked up. Wait, don't do drugs, life will never be the same. Damn. Without them everything's lame. Facts. Don't do drugs, why not? Drugs are bad, okay? And you don't wanna end up like us. Don't do drugs. I mean, I don't condone it, but like, come on, you know you want it. And even though I don't condone it, I'm at Dunkin' Donuts in a pickup doing fucking donuts while I chug Coronas. But a bitch is mighty fine. They ask me if I'm good these days, I'm great like 99. Let's get this bread together, you need yours and I need mine.
I lost camera feed. Will you hand me that, please? I have not a clue.